Testing 1, 2, 3. Hey, this is a preview for I guess it's part 3 of the video series I'm doing on Ionicframework, vuejs, and AWSAmplify. This time around, I just wanted to fire it up on using Capacitor also, so you guys can see it deployed on a mobile device. And so here I have it running in the iOS simulator, the Android simulator, just a preview for what we're going to show in the actual video. So let's get login working. Let's get it going on here. AARN. Okay, so you can see what as you guys know, same code base. Let's add a new object here. New object. Some text. We'll set the status to check. We'll save it. And so we've saved the record. And then you can see because we're using synchronization, the object shows up here on the other side, and I can delete it from here. It's deleted from there, and then the last thing is we implemented edit. So let's cancel this one since it's already been done. Edit here. Let's kind of just remove some of this text here. And let's save it. And you see it's updating on the other side. So just a quick preview of what we're going to show in the video. The video is a little behind schedule, but hopefully I'll drop it on Monday. And it'll be video and source code. So check the link below to see part 1 and part 2 so you're ready for part 3 when it comes out. Take care. Bye.